Hi everyone, welcome to Asset Growth. Let's analyze multi-bagger stocks. A company stock to become a multi-bagger stock only when it holds economy moat. Economy moat are nothing but a company's product holding excellent quality with huge market demand and also market leader in its own sector. For example, Asian Paints in paint sector. Company management must hold high ethical behavior in sharing company profit growth to its shareholder via dividend, bonus, share price growth year on year. Added to that, company with good brand value, example like brand Tata. Finally, a company product must hold high future demand and growth for its product from common people. Let's start. KPR Mill Limited from textile sector. KPR Mill Limited's in textile sector main area of business are yarn, fabric and garments. They are taking orders from foreign countries and exporting in the form of garments and also having a sugar mill in Karnataka. KPR Mills started their business 36 years back from scratch. KPR Mills are one of the best example for successful first generation entrepreneur in South India. KPR Mills has large spinning, knitting, processing and garment units. Also, they strictly follows all the government norms throughout their process from cotton to finished product. KPR management known for their high ethical behavior both to their employees and clients. KPR Mills currently trading around 900 rupees. During COVID pandemic around March it went as low as around 350 rupees. KPR Mills listed around 2007 and from there on it's giving a good growth in revenue and profit from their business. If you compare last 5 quarters, we can clearly see revenue and profit are increasing quarter on quarter. Also, OPM percentage is around 20% on most of the quarter results. Comparing June 20 quarter revenue profit business during COVID with the next immediate quarter, that is September 20 quarter revenue and profit, we can clearly see business are back to pre-COVID level. If you compare last 5 years result, that is from 2016 to 2020, revenue and profit are doubled. Also, OPM percentage constantly maintained minimum 16 percentage. This clearly indicates this company profits are increasing year on year. Company using its debit for company expansion to cater future order and also company debit level are under manageable. Company constantly sharing its profit via dividends to its shareholders without fail. Promoters holding around 75% of company shares is a good sign. KPR Mills management in last 3 decades shown excellent growth by generating huge profit year on year in their existing textile business. By using that profit, they expanded their textile business capacity to cater more future orders. Also bought one sugar mill in Karnataka and installed windmills and made them as KPR Mills subsidiaries. Right now, KPR Mills started own brand named Fezo, an organic innerwear Atalshore products. I do see Fezo products receiving excellent feedbacks for its quality and price. My prediction in future, this organic Fezo brand can take KPR Mills to new heights. Stock market investment involves huge risk. I don't recommend any stocks to buy at any price. This video is for informative purpose. Please do your own analysis before investing in any stocks and also check with your advisor before investing. Be safe and follow government rules to keep corona away from your family. Thank you.